very flaky, because when we have started long ago in 2016 onwards, of course for pandemic we could not able to organize for 2 years. The regular batch comprises of 40, and ultimately we had to give at least 15 extra seats. Our normal batches comprises of 50-55. Plus, initially we announced for 4 batch. Later on, we had to stick to the 8th batch even. So now, after the pandemic, the scenario has been changed. So we had to settle within 4 batches. In the national level also. Previously you have seen Sir is one of the regular tracker of YHAI national level. So now also they have minimizes, like Valley of Flowers, Surpass, it continues for 2 months, 3 months. Now it is only 1 month. So you can understand the busy schedule of the people.
Business. And basic reason for retiring is to enjoy life better. Oh. So I don't want to